we're going to take a look at some progress on Star's feet. Okay, so she's happy to give me her feet now. Both her front feet in particular, which she wasn't always very happy about before. So offering a foot gets reinforced. And I'm not picky about which foot. The left front is the one that she's a little pickier about. But now I'm going to change things a little because I'm going to turn on this and then ask for the foot. So the Dremel goes on. I get the foot and I reinforce and I turn the Dremel off. This is a little, she's a little slower to want to give me her foot. Good, when the Dremel's on. She's much faster to give me her foot when it's not on. But I just need to keep reinforcing a lot. I like to wait till she's about done with her food before I turn it off. Then I turn it on. As for the foot, oops, the foot went away too fast this time. So I'm going to do it again. And I'll go back to something easier. Just ask for the foot a couple of times without the Dremel. And then I'll Dremel, foot, reinforce. The other thing I'm going to do here, well, let me make this a separate video.